Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Tokyo on Friday, August 29, 2025, on a two-day visit during which he will hold summit talks with his Japanese counterpart Shigeru Ishiba. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed in Japan, Tokyo. He will be holding wide-ranging discussions with Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba later in the evening to advance India-Japan partnership, Ministry of External Affairs said in a social media post on X. In his departure statement, Prime Minister Modi said his visit to Japan will be an opportunity to strengthen civilizational bonds and cultural ties between the two countries. During his visit to Japan from August 29 to 30, Mr. Modi will hold summit talks with the Japanese Prime Minister Ishiba. We would focus on shaping next phase of our special, strategic and global partnership, which has made steady and significant progress over the past 11 years. Mr. Modi said, we would endeavor to give new wings to our collaboration, expand the scope and ambition of our economic and investment ties, and advance cooperation in new and emerging technologies, including AI and semiconductor, he added. From Japan, Modi will travel to China on a two-day visit to attend the annual summit of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO, on August 31 and September 1. I am confident that my visit to Japan and China would further our national interest and priorities and contribute to building a fruitful cooperation in advancing regional and global peace, security and sustainable development. In India's development journey, Japan has always been an important partner, said Modi, addressing the India-Japan Joint Economic Forum. Prime Minister Modi said that India is a springboard for Japanese businesses to the global south, from metro to manufacturing, from semiconductor to startup. India-Japan partnership in every sector became symbol of mutual trust, said Modi, addressing the India-Japan Joint Economic Forum in Tokyo. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Tokyo on Friday, August 29, 2025, on a two-day visit. The two Prime Ministers will hold the much-delayed 15th Annual Summit and are expected to upgrade the 2008 Declaration on Security Cooperation, including defense hardware purchases, launch an economic security initiative to build resilient supply chain in a number of areas such as critical minerals and artificial intelligence, and increase Japan's investment targets to around $68 billion. Prime Minister Modi said Japan technology and India's talent can together lead the tech revolution of the current century. India is rapidly moving towards clean energy, and by 2047 we have set a target of 100 gigawatt of nuclear power. We can cooperate for a clean and green future. Thank you.